Hey YouTube, this is J&T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? What's up, T?
Not much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are with the project, okay? We haven't been around for a bit because Jay got COVID. So we were laid up for a bit.
Did you just refer yourself to the third person?
I did. I just referred myself as the third person. That is correct. So therefore, all right, so what we did is we changed a few things around. As you can see that we took the cardboard off of our bottom piece. We are going to make a change here. We have to cut this down and move this over. And then our fiberglass mold here. T, you want to peel that off? All right. So our mold release came out, and we will show you exactly how we did that on the first one. Okay. It does involve a Johnny ring, and we'll tell you all about that in the next episode. All right, but this episode here we wanted to finish out and show you where we are. So we made a few changes here. That was also part of why we've been away for a bit. So what we're going to do is, can you just push that in? So what we're going to do here is we are going to, I'm going to fix this here, make this where it belongs. This is it. This is what it's going to eventually look like when it's finished. Okay. And what we're going to do, oh, there goes the shop inspector. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fiberglass this whole entire thing. Okay. And that'll be in the next episode. So in this episode here, we're going to finish up. We're going to finish this out, and we're going to call this one done. Like and subscribe. And to our current subscribers, we appreciate all that you're here for. Leave a comment, good or bad, and we appreciate that. All right, take care. We'll be back.